Hello everyone. Hello guys. I hope am I audible and visible. Is everything fine? Today no one is there in the class. Why is it so? Let me just remind in the group. Am I audible? No. Yeah, it's fine. Am I audible? So guys, welcome you all again to the men's level practice session, which I always bring to you. Uh, uh, this is very important for. So we have guys Oliveboard Banking Super Elite one plan all courses 2000 plus test. Subscribe to Oliveboard Banking Super Elite plan and you can get like SS to all courses Hindi plus English medium, 3000 plus live classes for all major exams, 2000 plus test with AI analysis and re-attempt test mode enabled. So PYPs means basically PYQs plus past live test, monthly current affairs, bold PDF magazine. So you can also have this. You also have an ability of tagging a faculty and asking a doubt. Let's go for a next slide. So what is the basically you can ask that what is this Bank Super Elite is known as. So Bank Super Elite is basically live courses, SS Limited. Basically, we have a normal course and we have a Super Elite course. The comparison is between that. So you can get like SS2 Limited. Like when you go for a normal, you get an SS2 Limited to one course. When you go for but guys, when you go for a Super Elite, you can access to all bank plus insurance courses. Live courses you get a limited, but here you get 3000 plus classes. Mock test you get limited to one exam. Here you get like 2000 plus test. Okay. Okay. PDF notes you get only class PDF. Here you get class PDF plus SO exam notes. Tag faculty it is limited, but here you can enable and previous year paper you will get everything in Super Elite. Let's go for second one. So you can also join our Telegram channel, which is Bank Exam by Oliveboard, where you can get updated for quizzes and polls, YouTube classes updates and important updates and notifications. Okay. So guys, let me start the class now. I hope you guys are there. Again, I would be giving you the question. What do you want? When will be English classes will begin, sir? It will begin soon. Okay. So now let me show you the. So basically today's agenda is what? Let me clear you the today's agenda. Today agenda. So guys, today agenda that we're gonna discuss about a variable plus average. You can also call it as an average, or you can call it mixture alligation based AI. Today discussion would be on the part of mixture alligation DI, right? Or variable and mixture alligation based DI. Okay. So this would be the today's class we're gonna discuss. Agenda is variable average and mixture alligation, basically DI. So let me start that first of all. So I'm giving you time of 7 minutes. Just solve for variables and let's see how many of you can answer this DI. भाई वो सब क्लासेस तुरंत शुरू शुरू हो जाएंगी यार, उसमें क्या टाइम लगेगा, पहले ये तो सॉल्व कर ले। 10 मिनट्स का टाइम लगाया मैंने। एवरीवन प्लीज फोकस। Come on, solve everybody. Solve everyone. Read the question properly, make an equation and try solving. Anybody is solving now or no one? If you guys are solving, please solve. At least read the question properly. Sorry, I have like cold, so that is the reason. You have like 3 minutes of time. You can try this. You have like 3 minutes of time. Yeah, 3 minutes, approximately 3 minutes. Better you can try. So see, I've given you like enough time, everyone, okay? Just to read the set and then try out. According to me, I've given you the enough time to read the set and try. Okay, let me. Okay, they are saying, okay, that's first. I've got C is 15. Very good. Let me check whether C is 15 or not. Okay, this we have got from commerce aspirants. Very good. Okay, let's find out the values. Very good. So approximately a very good commerce aspirant. That's nice. That's so nice of you. So guys, now like time is up. We have 30 seconds more. Okay, we have 30 seconds more. So I hope you got this set. This basically, guys, this set contains a lot of questions on average as well. I would say on on the values of A, B, and C also. So variable plus you can say average combination. Okay. First of all, before starting this, I would give you my paid class details, so that you, if you want to join Super Elite batch or any batches, you can assess my courses. Okay, so let me just give you the point. Okay, so guys, basically, firstly, I would say that we have started the triangular series for men's. Okay, eventually I have started the triangular series. What is the triangular series? I take classes on YT at 11, I would say 11:30 a.m. correct. Then we have a class on advanced level at 5 p.m. Okay, then we have a class of advanced level. Here we are discussing DI basically, here we are discussing the DI. Then we have a class at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m. Here we are discussing the foundation questions or problem of quant arithmetic. So those who are like serious aspirant, no, those who are like preparing for the exam, or those who are basically from the South India, they can just access to the triangular series in a way which I have guiding you. Basically, first you should attend the YouTube class, then you should go for my 5 p.m. class, then you should go for my 8 p.m. class. Okay, so these are my structured plan. This is the classes is happening on Oliveboard only. The classes is happening on Oliveboard, so you all can join me over there. Okay, fine. Let's come to the question. Let's come to the question. So let me show you the question. So guys, the question is something like that. It is like 52 males live in a building Q. So basically, following table give the information regarding the number of person living in a 5 buildings. Further, it is known that. So again, I said many a times, nowadays the banking mains, basically if we'll go for the mains questions of quant or mains question of reasoning also, they are like asking a question which is resembles a cat questions also, right? So they are saying that, okay, they have given the data, they have given the pointers also. 52 males live in building Q. So 52 males live in building Q. So basically here I can make a equation which is like, in building Q the number of males is 4A plus 3B, and the females is 6B. So I can make one equation from here, that is what, 4A plus 3B, that is 4A plus 3B is equal to 52, because we are talking about Q, which is 52. So basically these are the variables, means the male contain variable A, B and C, although female also contain variable A, B and C, and then we have a building PQRS, correct? And then we have a building PQRS. Total number of people in building S is 75. Okay, so let me write down here, make an equation here. Okay, so first of all we got that first equation, what we got is, first equation we got 4A plus 3B equals to 52, correct? This was the first equation. So name it like equation number 1. Let me go for the second point. Second point is saying what? Second point is saying total 75 people live in building S. Total 75 people live in building S. So let's go for building S basically. $75, correct? Okay, fine. That's great. Now we have a third point. So this is our second equation, correct? Let me go for my third equation. Third is, there are 12 more males and females in building R. 12 more means, okay. So means the difference I am taking now. Means what I am taking the difference. 2B, basically what I will do now, R, 2B plus 2C minus 10. Let me just write down here. R, 2B plus 2C minus 10, 2B plus 2C minus 10, minus of, because the difference is basically minus of 2B plus C minus 7, and this difference is given to me 12. Now if this minus will go, the sign will change, correct? Minus will go, the sign will change. So basically now here becomes 2B plus 2C minus 10 minus of 2B minus of C plus of 7 is equal to 12, correct? Now you can see here, automatically you can see here, this 2B and this 2B get cancelled out, correct? Minus 10 and plus 10 is minus 3, and 2C and C, plus 2C minus C is C. So basically, wait a minute, basically can I say from here C minus 3 is equal to 12. If C minus 3 is equal to 12, I can directly say that the value of C is basically 12 plus 3, which is 15. So value of C is 15. Is it right, everyone? Yes. Fine, no? Now see, you can also, like if you're getting the value of C is basically 15, use this in equation. Using in equation, you can write down using in equation number 2. So you can use this in equation number 2, which is this one. Correct. Now if you use in this will become what? Now see, the equation is basically, first one is 4a plus 3b is equal to 52. Second is 3a plus 3b, that should be what? 3a plus 3b is equal to, now this becomes 30. See, this becomes 30. 75 minus 30 is 45. So this is basically 45. Now if you subtract these two equations, this 3b gets cancelled out, the value of a would be how much? The value of a would be how much? Come on, say fast. The value of a is how much? Anybody? Fast, guys. The value of a would be 7. Now let's see, if the value of a is 7, now you can also say that if you go for this equation 1, 2, this is like, let's name then 3. If you go for this equation, can you take common 3? Now if you take, like, if there is equation like 3a plus 3b is equal to 45, taking common 3, if you take common 3, this will become a plus b equals to 15. Correct? No, 45. So a plus b will become how much? 15. Now the value of a is 7, then the value of b would be 8. Then only the sum will 15 come. Now please say, everyone, you guys understood? Isn't you guys have understood this? I hope you guys have understood this. So basically, I would say the need was what? See the logic. Basically, the need was what? See, the need was to find the values, right? The need was to find the values. So okay. So from here we got the value of a is 7, b is 8, and c is 15. Correct? What we got? A is 7, b is 8, and c is 15. Correct? Now let us see, because I know that they would ask question from male, female, total number of male, female in building Q. So better to make a table, right? There will be better if you make a table. Table as such, you should make a long table like this. Why? Because see, the question will be from this part only, that is confirmed. So you can write down in the table form. Which is P, Q, R and S, male, female. So basically putting the value of A, 15 plus 15. Can I say the total here would be how much? 45. In P, the male would be 45. What is the female in P? 14, 15, 29 and 6 is how much? 29 and 6, 35. So total is 80, correct? This is the total. It is the total. Okay. Now let's talk about Q. Now if I talk about Q, 4a plus 3b, the value of 4a plus 3b would be 52, correct? And 6b 48. The total will be how much? 100. Easy. Correct. The value of R would be 2B plus 2C minus 10, means 16 plus 30, 46 minus 10, 36. And now 2B, 16 plus 15, 31 minus 7. 31 minus 7 would be 24. Total is 60. 48. It would be how much? 48? No. S. 16 plus 7, 23, 23 plus 15, 10, 33, 33 plus 5, 38 minus 3, again 35, 35. And 2A plus B plus C means 60, 14 plus 16, 30 plus 15, 45 plus 3 is 40. Correct. It is coming 40 only, now please check. 40. This is 75. The data is correct, yes or no? The data is correct, everyone? Is it I have written every data correctly? Yuva Shakti? Isn't I have written the every data correctly? Please comment. Commerce aspirant, is it right? I hope so. This is right. Fine, no? Now, let us go for questions. First question. What is the ratio of number of males in building S to the number of females in building P? Answer me first question. What is the ratio of number of males in building S to the number of females in building P? Male in building S to the female in building P. Let us come. Male in building S is 35 and female in building P is also 35. So, male is also 35 and female is also 35. If you want to check, you can check from this data. Okay. They are asking this one and they are asking this one. This one. So, that would be 1:1. That should be. Answer is 1:1. 1:1. Correct. That should be option number 5, I guess. 5 is the correct answer. What is the total number of person living in building Q? Now come on, say fast. This you can solve, na? Q. Let's come to the Q. Hundred. Answer is 100. Now this is very good question. Now write down here average. Average age of all the males and females of building R are 47 and 37. Then what is the answer this question? I think question is incomplete. Let me check the question. Try this question, come on. Hi Devanand, कैसे हो? How can you solve this question? Average age of all the males and females of building R is 47 and 37. Then what is the average age of all the residents of building R? Can you figure it out, the residents of all the building of R? This is the chart basically. This is the chart. The classes are going fine, Devanand? Classes are going fine? You're studying? Answer that question, guys. Come on, fast. Okay. That's nice. गुड देन, बहुत बढ़िया. पढ़ो पढ़ो, अच्छे से पढ़ो. पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. कोई समस्या हो तो बताना, ठीक है? पढ़ाई को लेके डिस्कस कर लेंगे हम लोग खाली समय में. तो मेरे को मिस कर रहे हो? क्यों मिस क्यों कर रहे हो यार? मिस करने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. मैं बोलो आ जाऊंगा, क्या दिक्कत है? अच्छा, I'll come. So guys, I hope now this question is the homework, everyone. Now you guys are not answering me, so that's why I'm giving you this this as an homework. How will you try this question? Comment. Those who will comment first, they'll get the surprise gift. Those who will comment first, they will get a surprise gift. Surprise gift. मैं आ जाऊंगा. Do not like miss मत करो मेरे को. मैं आ जाऊंगा यार. So let's now see, guys. Let's solve this question. This is a second set, by the way. Set number 2. आज अचानक से क्लास क्यों आ गए देवानंद? अच्छा अच्छा, इट्स फाइन फाइन, बहुत बढ़िया। अभी क्या क्लास में हो? अभी क्या क्लास में हो? चलो बहुत बढ़िया। क्लासेस खत्म हो गया क्या? नया सेशन शुरू हो रहा है? अच्छा, सारा क्लासेस खत्म हो गया क्या? अच्छा, ओके, फाइन फाइन, चलो कोई बात नहीं। So guys, this is a question in a management school. There were 70 students. So basically guys, many times I have like given you this kind of a question that total, this is basically topic from the Venn diagram, okay? Venn diagram. You should understand the nature of Venn diagram. So basically, now how will you know that this is a Venn diagram question? This is the first problem for everyone. You guys don't understand this comes under Venn diagram or not. So basically, can I say that total students is given to me 70? Correct. Total student is given to me 70. This is like given to me. But if I talk about 43 took marketing, 43 is going for marketing, 28 is took finance, so this is a marketing, this is a finance, okay. 18 took human resources, 18 took human resources, and 20 took finance and marketing. So 20 took plus finance and plus marketing, finance and marketing. 12 marketing and humans, so 12 took marketing plus human resources, and 8 human resources and 8 human resources and finance. So 8 human resources and finance, okay. And we have 16 took only marketing, 16 took only marketing. So guys, now try to understand. I have total students 70. If I'll add this, 40 plus 20, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 20, 90, 90 plus 10 is 100, and 100 plus 80 is 100. Approximately this goes for 108, but you should also plus this out. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. 108 plus 10 is 100. 18 plus 3 plus 8, it becomes like 116, 116, 116 and 2, 118. So how can be the total student is 17? How can it become 116? It's not possible, no. Total student you guys are having 70 only, and while adding this all things you are getting 116, which is not possible. How this is possible? Like how this is happening? The question is that how this is happening. Many times I have given you this only can happen with the logic of overlap. This can only been happen with the logic of overlap. So sometimes there is a overlap. Means what? Means marketing, if marketing is counted in 43 also, then marketing is also counted in finance plus marketing. If marketing is counted in 43, it also been counted in marketing as well. In only marketing, marketing is also counted. Means that one student is getting counted repeatedly, right? Means that one student is getting counted repeatedly. So that's why while we add these all the overlap part, it is more than 70, which is 116. When this condition qualifies, any of the questions, when this condition qualifies, then there is 100% chances that you can solve the question through Venn diagram. Is it right or not? So this is the reason where you can apply your Venn diagram. Okay. Now I hope that some of you watched my previous videos also, or a paid class video as well. I have given you some of the clues that how to understand which equation is overlap equation and which equation is the normal equation. I've given you many times, I've given you some of the hints just to count that which equation is overlap equation and which equation is basically so equation without overlap I would say, and equation with overlap, and equation with overlap. So we have a two equations. What's first is equation with overlap and other is equation without overlap. I might be said you many a times that if you draw a 3-set Venn diagram, right, and name is like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, correct? If you add all the parts like A plus C plus G, and then you add D, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, then you add like D plus E plus F, correct? Then you add E. So basically this is called an equation without overlap. This is called an equation without overlap. Equation without overlap. Many times I said this. Yes or no? This is called number 1 equation. This is called number 2 equation, and this is called number 3. So this becomes whole value is S, or you can say X. And we have one more equation which is called S, which is overlap, which is 1 plus 2 times of 2 plus 3 times of 3. This is an equation of overlap. Now this two equation can solve this problem. So guys, you need to solve this problem, and based on this problem you have 5 questions, or I would say yes, you have 3 questions. You should answer this. Please take a screenshot. And comment me on the comment section that you guys are solving, because I have solved this set many times. I mean, not the same question, but we have solved this set like many times. So come on, everyone, please. Okay, as I said, this is the homework. You should try this. As I said, this is the homework. Okay, every day I will be giving I would say, you can say a goodie to a winner. Basically, who would be the winner? He would get the like surprising gift also, surprise gift. He would get a surprise gift. Okay, from my side, especially from my side. He would get a surprise gift. The winner would get a surprise gift. So please comment. Like I would like I would personally, I would have a chat with him. I will guide him about how to prepare for the exam, etc., etc., etc. So you need to answer, and this question which we haven't answered, you need to answer. Now see, suppose I can give you the answer of this question, which is 43. This answer is coming like 43. Okay. Okay. Now the concept here will be using less weighted average. Weighted average. Okay. Just go for male and female. Number of male and female of a building R. So you can see number of male and female in building R. If you want to see, you can see number of male and female in building R. So number of male and female in building R is 36 and 24. Let me solve for you. Okay. Male and female are 36 and 24. Okay. So see how you can use it. So can I say the number of male and female is, not this question, number of male and female is 36 is to 24. Okay, the ratio becomes what? Can I say the ratio becomes 12 दूनी 26, 12 तीय 36, 3 is to 2. These are the numbers, and you know the formula of weighted average, which is what? A1 into N1 plus A2 into N2 divided by N1 plus N2, correct? These are the numbers, N1 and N2 are the numbers, and the ratio numbers you got like 3 is to 2. So can you write it here? Because nobody answered, so I'm answering this, okay? So you can write down like here 47, okay? No, you can write down like here 47 into 3 plus 37 into 2 divided by 3 plus 2. 7 21 4 12 16. It would come how much? 16 163 plus, so this will come 215 by 5, which is 43 point something, 43 only answer. Okay, fine. So this was the question, guys, which we have done right now. Two sets we have discussed today. One is variable based, which is the through which I bring 3 questions, and then we have Venn diagram. Venn diagram is the homework basically, so you should solve and then answer me. Do not forget to subscribe to our courses, which is like this one. As I said earlier, you should go for Banking Super Elite, where you can access all of our courses. And till then, bye bye guys. Signing off, Agnimitra. Keep shining and keep learning. Bye, take care. Please comment kar diya karo. Bye, take care. Bye bye.